Hey guys, welcome to another video. I'm going to show you basically a what sold video. This week has been very strong. I think it's my best week selling on eBay in a long time. So let's go over that. And yeah, me and the wife just had a steak and some wine, and my face is a little flush, but I haven't done a video in a while, so I want to get to it. I probably can't see that. Maybe I'll show that later. But that's kind of helping me with my sales. It's basically a board where I'm putting my listings and sales for each day. And it just basically is showing me to list and to list consistently and to always see that number going up. So maybe in one of the next videos, if you guys are interested, I'll just kind of go over that board and I'll do more hands-on videos instead of just what's sold. It's always a goal to try to get that, but you know, it's tough building a channel to get the following to see that you guys enjoy me doing these kind of videos. But let's get right into it. I have a lot of things to go over. Like I said, I've sold a lot in the last 7 days. So $1,078 in the last 7 days. $3,500 in the last 30 days, and so far today I'm at $267, and it's only 8:30 Eastern time, so I still have, you know, roughly 6 hours left in the day to increase that. My record for this year is $356, so hopefully I can pass that. And somebody, there's been one person that hasn't paid. There was an offer, so it should be around $290, because most of the time it won't show in this right here unless they've paid. So let's get into them. First one is one to look out for, Johnson and Murphy. It's not as prevalent as Levi's and that stuff, but I got good money for this one. I think I took a best offer of $30 on this one plus shipping. Next one, Oakley. This one, the shorts I do well on. The shirts I do not do well on. So if you can pick up the plaid type shorts for golf, especially this time of year, you can pick them up for, you know, $4, $5 tops. I would pick them up. They sell good. This one I sold, I think full price, $24. Lululemon, keep a lookout for it. They're harder to locate in the stores. And as I said in other videos, I never really picked up women's stuff, but now with my wife, I've got her kind of on the bug, you know, where she enjoys going out and finding this stuff, so she's concentrating on the women's stuff, and she's actually finding a fair amount of Lululemon. You get $1 for this. This was a full price item, $32. Next one, Patagonia, always a good seller. You know, I'd still try to find the unique stuff. Some of the plain stuff doesn't do well, but the unique shirts, the shorts do well. Shorts in general for me have been doing really well this year, so keep an eye on shorts if you can get into them for a low price. The next, I think 2 or 3 items are from the same buyer. And he bought all 3, asked me if I did combined shipping. Obviously I do. I want more sales, so offer combined shipping when you can. What I usually do is I tell them to either add to the checkout cart. I want to make most of my listings where it adds it automatically, but a lot of time I do a best offer too. So this guy did offers on them, so it makes it easier because they don't have to pay right away. Then you can send them an invoice for the total and give them a discount for the shipping. That's what I did on these. This one, I think the same guy bought it, and this one, the same guy bought all 3, and I gave them about $5 discount on the shipping. I charge usually around $4.50 to $5 depending on the shirt, how heavy it is, and so this one. These I gave them about $5 off. 2 shirts, you really don't save much money because, you know, with the 1 shirt it's first class, 2 shirts is priority. So 2 shirts you're not saving that much. 3 shirts you save them a little bit. So let's go on to this one. This one I've said in previous videos, but keep on a lookout for the unique women's tennis, you know, skirts and shorts combo. They've been doing very, very well for us, but they have to be the unique ones. The plain ones will still sell, but just not as quickly as these, you know, two-tone, colorful, more outrageous. Usually the more the more you'll get and the quicker they'll sell. Under Armour. Women's, again, like I said, I never used to, but it's kind of really helping our business. I usually concentrate on the guy stuff. My wife concentrates on the women's stuff, and she's getting really good at being able to find the unique stuff. So this one sold for full price. 514s are a good brand in the Levi's. You have to be very knowledgeable on what sells, what doesn't, what's slow, what's fast. 514s are fairly quick sales. Matter of fact, I think we're out of 514s now. We sold like 4 or 5 in the last couple weeks. This is our last pair, so we got to pick up more of those. This one, I took a best offer, I think 19 on this one. These were ones my wife picked up, I don't know, 3 or 4 weeks ago. They were, probably the same person donated them. So I lotted them together because they were same size, and they sold for 35 on best offer on this. This one, all these next ones I think sold today. Today has been a very good day, like you've seen earlier, to $267 today alone. This is one that's just a plain sweatshirt, but Ralph Lauren's been doing very well for me lately. It's a hard one to compete with because you got so many people that are selling them, but they still do well, so I pick them up. This one, I took a best offer, I think of 28, 29, 30, somewhere in there. But yeah, PFGs, these ones sold for full price. Fishing pants. PFGs don't sell as well, but they're a consistent seller, especially this time of year going into spring. This one's a FootJoy. This one is one that a person bought 3 of them yesterday. I don't think I have any of the 3 because these 3 were from a different buyer. This guy bought just nothing but golf shirts. He bought 2 FootJoys, a Masters shirt yesterday. I gave him combined shipping, and then today he bought another one. This one was free shipping, so it didn't matter if he did it. This one I gave a best offer of, I think, 27. Vintage Lucky brand men's jeans. These ones are somewhat of a slow sale, but they do sell depending on the brand, the style. And the last one we'll get into is Lee Bermuda. This one's really not that great of a brand. The only reason I picked these up is they were new with tags. And I sold them for $20 best offer on this. So that'll do it today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I mean, $1,100 for the week just selling clothes is pretty good in my opinion. I'm going to branch out the more time I get and pick up more stuff, but clothes has been doing very well for us. You go back and check out some of my other videos. I picked up some lots of clothes where I basically have about 30 cents into them, but most everything that sold in this video was from thrift stores and shorts. We have like $4 into them. Jeans are usually anywhere from $5 to $6. Shirts are usually, now they've increased it. All the Goodwills in my area, they went from $3.99 on polos to $4.49, but still a good price when you're selling them for $25. Sweaters in my area, $4.50. Yeah, that's about it. So long sleeves are $4.99 in my area. Yep. So thanks, guys. Hopefully you enjoy. Please hit the like, subscribe. I enjoy doing these videos, and hopefully you enjoy them too, because that makes me want to do them more. So take care, guys. I'll probably won't be a video in the short. Me and the wife are going on a little road trip tomorrow. I'm taking a week off from work. So it's a good thing we had some good sales the last few days. It'll help pay for some of the trip. We're going down to Florida, Jacksonville, Fort Myers, Tampa, that area. So gonna have a good time. We're gonna be safe. We're driving down so we can kind of control our exposure. So be safe out there. Take care. Bye.